Let's get started. In this incident, a low-flying bird tragically lost its life after flying in front of a fast-approaching train. Let's begin. A train approaching from a distance sounded its siren, but the bird didn't perceive it as a warning. "I'm sorry for you, bird." The train overflow is sounding its siren at a dog stuck on the tracks, but the dog cannot move. Seeing this, a hero immediately takes action. "I hope you overcome this trauma, dog." In this incident, a deer tragically loses its life after being struck by a train. It must be a very painful and unbelievable moment. The fast-approaching train blows its horn as it moves along the tracks, warning the herd of cows ahead. However, the cows do not understand the warning, leading to a tragic accident.